Hala Jordan, Managing Director of the ChemStewards program here at SOCMA. And I'd like to personally invite you to our National Safety Symposium being held in Houston, Texas on October 11th and 12th. This is a meeting that we held every other year. And this year I'm very excited about the list of speakers we've got, the topics going to be discussed, and it's something that everybody in the chemical industry probably should attend. We're going to start out on the morning of October the 11th with the legislative update by our government relations group. A lot of things are happening in DC these days with the TSCA implementation, changes in rules to PSM, RMP, and this will give you an opportunity to ask the experts of what's happening and what's going to be affecting you at your plant. In the afternoon, we're going to have our workshop. This is a time when a little more intimate setting, and people have a lot of questions along these workshops. What makes this workshop so successful in the past is our members get to take something from the workshop, go back and implement it. We're not only going to talk about process safety, we're going to discuss LOPA and some other regulations, and Dr. Sam Manan, who is the director of the Mary Kay O'Connor Process Safety Center, will be making a presentation as well. So that wraps up the first day. The second day starts out with a keynote address from the chairwoman of the Chemical Safety Board, Vanessa Sutherland. And I think you'll want to hear what she has to say about what is changing in this area. Also, a lot of great topics are going to be discussed, such as communicating risk to your stakeholders, how to develop a process safety culture that you've got. What are the challenges in developing process safety, especially for small and mid-sized companies? We're going to talk a little bit about operator training. And specifically, very appropriate now, is talking about, we're going to have a panel discussing disaster planning. We're going to have talking about people that have been through this very recently. They'll be looking at their disaster training plans, what worked and what didn't work. And this is something I think everyone should take a very big interest in. So that said, I hope to see all of you in Houston on October the 11th and 12th. If you have any questions, give us a call here at SOCMA. You can also go to our SOCMA website, www.socma.com. Go to the events page, and it'll give you all the information you need about registration, attendance, the agenda, and so forth. Thank you.